Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's December 2nd. Hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend, long weekend here. And we got kind of a busy week this week. We got jobs data will be coming out this week. We'll have the ADP coming out on Wednesday. Thursday will be the weekly jobless claims we get every week. And then Friday will be the jobs data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Today, however, we got manufacturing. So we'll start off with the market manufacturing PMI. The previous report came out at 52.2 and it rose a little bit to 52.6 in November. Anything above 50 on these two indexes is in expansion territory. Anything below is the contraction period. And as you can see in ISM, we are in contraction period. And this is the kind of the gold standard in the manufacturing data that we look at. So as you can see here, this is going to have a little bit more weight than the market manufacturing. So in October, it was 48.3 according to the ISM. It was expected to rise a little bit to 49.2. However, it dropped a little bit further down to 48.1. Also on construction spending, we had a drop. It contracted a bit in September at 0.3%. Forecast was supposed to rise in October, and it contracted even further at 0.8% in October. So again, these are things that we're looking at, not looking too great. Market looked better, but of course, ISM has a little bit more weight, and that was actually a worse reading. So as a result, stocks started the morning off higher in the beginning. After the manufacturing data came out, they pulled back a bit. There's also a tweet that came up by President Trump stating that he's going to implement the tariffs on any steel and aluminum from Brazil and Argentina coming into the country. Basically, he had mentioned that accused them of devaluing their currency in which would hurt our farmers. And as a result, he is basically stating he's going to raise tariffs on any steel or aluminum coming in from those two countries. So as a result, the stock market went from positive to negative territory. And part of the reason why it was in positive territory is manufacturing data in China came in positive. So there's a slight improvement in their manufacturing level. So they were able to start off the morning in positive territory. But unfortunately, with our own manufacturing slipping a little bit, and then the tweets by President Trump, they went negative territory. We saw Dow and Nasdaq are down over 100 points so far as a result of that. So let's see how this is playing out in the bond market. Bond market is down quite a bit. We're down about 16 basis points, so we're right below all those levels that were our floor of support. And this is primarily due to an article that came out apparently from the Fed Chair Powell, basically saying that he will let inflation rise and heat up a little bit. He's willing to let inflation heat up a little bit, and so as a result, the biggest enemy to mortgage-backed securities is inflation. So they did not like that at all, and we could have potentially even see this go worse, but they didn't like his comments, and we're down about 16 basis points. So we'll see a little bit worse in our pricing as a result of that. And if we close below this level here, obviously we got a lot of room here where we can drop further. As we saw, we had a few times where it dropped, from here back in September, October, or November 12th actually. So we did see a few times where we dropped that to that level. So hopefully we don't get to that level, but it's possible as a result of that. And as a result, yields have shot up about 6 basis points, and we're seeing a rate about 1.83. It's above all its levels here that were keeping it down, and now it broke above them as a result. So that was a bit of pretty big catalyst as a result that kind of boosted those markets for one direction or the other, and it kind of boosted treasury yields in a positive way, and of course mortgage-backed securities in a negative way. So as a result, again, mortgage rates are up a little bit today as a result. And if you guys are looking to buy or refinance and located in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. I am a loan officer with Pinnacle Home Loans, and we have quite a variety of loan programs that we can help you guys out with. Give us a shout. Best way to reach me is either direct message me or go ahead and shoot me an email. The fastest response, to be honest, will be the email if you want to reach out to me. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.